pretty. Wonderful thing. Enjoy the reflections. Yep. It's a good day. Doesn't do great underwater, but it's trying. That's all underwater. Except a bird, if a bird happens to fly by. Isn't that wild? It's like orangey. I think brown. Again, I'm colorblind, but it almost looks like a rainbow. Or rain, you know, like rain falling down. Ow! I just pinched myself because I'm smart enough to realize when I'm very, very fortunate. That's beautiful. Again, don't make me remind you. I know where you're at. I don't know where you're at, but I know that anybody watching this, there's a park not far from you, I swear it. I know it. It's good for you. It centers you. Makes you realize the stupid shit that seems so very important is not. I just can't stop myself. But that's okay. Because if you don't like it, I told you what it's going to be in the title. You don't have to watch. You really don't. I won't be offended. Not at all. You know, I might have figured it out. It's sort of like me taking you to my church. Or me remembering where my church is. And there's many of them. There's cathedrals all over the place. Sometimes they're simple. Just a lake. A nice sunset with some geese. Sometimes they're spectacular. But even the simplest is spectacular. If you watch, I say that crap all the time. I'm just hoping there's a few of you that realize it. I know for those that get it, I'm just preaching to the choir. See that? That'll put some butts in the pews, won't it? Church is really supposed to happen. Yep. Sun's coming up. All kinds of steam on the water. It's not a warm morning. A lot of steam. See all that? It's pretty. What's that? That's a little beaver right there. Some geese swimming out through all the steam. A lot of steam. Well, I guess you geese are coming back here this morning. But no duck. Oh, a whole bunch of yous. I think this happens. They come back here, but I don't know much. I'm usually not up this early. Through the woods, through the trees. The sun's coming up. Down pretty quick tonight. Again, not a cloud in the sky. Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. One, well, you get the idea. Basically no clouds in the sky. Makes me think of a great song, Moonshadow. Alright, YouTubers, have a great and wonderful day.